For this video, we're going to add a document library to a Teams channel. So open up Teams, open up Notepad, also open up the SharePoint site with the library, go to Site Settings, go to Library Settings, click Advanced or More Settings. Now copy that URL and then paste it to your notepad. Okay, let's go back to Teams. Maximize the window. Click on the plus. Make sure you're in the right channel. And then look for SharePoint. If you have to, type in search. Click on the icon. Now what it's going to do is it's going to look for libraries that are assigned to you. It doesn't always display all of them. You just have to be cautious. Sometimes I suggest having a coffee while you're waiting. So there we go. Now click on any SharePoint site. Copy the URL from Notepad and paste it here. Now notice it's going to post it to the channel. Click Save. And then wait a minute while it fetches the library to display it. There you go. So that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.